Hello and welcome back to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. We are going to be talking today about what you need to do in Kajabi if you are just using it for courses and if your website is somewhere else like WordPress or Squarespace or something like that, or if you don't have a website at all. A lot of people are drawn to Kajabi just because of the excellent course and program capabilities that it has. And so this episode is going to let you know how to walk that line by using Kajabi for those bits, but not for the websites and other things like that. So first of all, what you need to know is that um, there are some website pages that you have to use in Kajabi along with your course. And these pages aren't automatically there. So you have to do something to get them to show up. And that is go into websites and then design and choose a website template. And this is really important because you don't get any of your website pages unless you've got a template. So key step. And I would recommend that you use the standard or basic Kajabi. I think that it's called the Streamline template. That's right. Kajabi Streamline template. It doesn't look like a really fancy and nicely designed website like the other templates that they have or themes there. It just has a bunch of like filler blocks with placeholder text. And so I'm recommending that you use that one because it will be a lot easier to mold to what you want and not have to worry about, changing a bunch of settings. Everything is just basic on that. With those other themes in the website design area, um, you get a bunch of customization. And so using the Streamline template, there'll be a lot less to delete. So that's good. And all you have to do is pick a template or a theme and set it to be live, which is great. You can explore a bunch of those themes if you want, but if your site's outside of Kajabi, there's not really a point. So just choose the Streamline, set it live, you're good to go. And what that is going to do is it's going to give you your library page and your login page and your thank you page. Those are going to be the three pages, the library being the most important, but those are the three pages that you will use inside of Kajabi if you are keeping your website outside of Kajabi. And so that is a key step. Once that is done, and you can go back and edit those pages if you want. You'll want to edit the library page for sure. The thank you page and the login page, I recommend just keeping the way they are, but you'll want to go and edit the library page. So the library page lists all of the products that your customers buy from you. It's the page that by default they log into when they come to your domain and log in. Then they see the library where they've got all of the different products they bought from you. And then they can choose which one to go into and then start getting your stuff, which is what they want. The library page is the page that you would link to from your site or from social media or wherever. So if you've got a website, on WordPress and you've got a menu at the top, maybe you'll have like a user menu in the far right corner that's pretty common, or maybe you'll say login or courses or something like that. That is where you put the link to the library page in Kajabi so people can come from your site into Kajabi to get your courses. And on your library page, you're going to want to put in the menu, you'll want to put your website menu so that if people come to that page, they can go back to your website if, they want to. And so that is what you got to do in Kajabi to integrate your course stuff to your website. And then, of course, in Kajabi, you're there for your courses. So you go into products, you build all your stuff out, and you go into sales and offers, and you build all of your checkout pages, and you go into settings and payment integrations to set up your payment processing for Kajabi payments or Stripe or PayPal, whatever you're using. And my friends, that's how you do it.